Sir, frame okay and papa.
Video okay.
Ramesh, go to Suresh.
You want to partner? Yeah.
Suresh bottom Rakesh. Krishna ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಮೇಶ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅಂತ
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Right. Ready. Ready.
Yes, sir. Sir, no, sir. My eyes only, sir. Okay, ready, Suresh.
Okay. Right. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
So 1 minute, sir. So Ritika, you can join Kiran, Prabhu and you. Is that okay?
No, I'm in the boat side now.
Ritin, it's okay, Ritin.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you stand a little bit back, sir?
Okay. There is a person, and the person's name is Ramesh. And Ramesh goes to Dakshin Siddharth. I'm not repeating boys and girls, so, and also this can be a forwarded bonus zone, so you also sharpen your ears. The second person is last முடிச்சிட்டு வந்து சீக்கிரம் கீழே போய் முடிச்சிடுவோம்.
அதே வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
ஆமா.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I'm a little confused, sir. You said Ramesh goes to Dakshin Siddharth.
What's the confusion in that for you?
Sir, you said 24 places and 24 people, right, sir?
Can some of the team members correct what Kiran is asking? She's been listening to the story for the whole night and she's asking
ball
a
will
basic.
be given and yes, sir.
Repeat it, boss.
So Kiran, basically the one ball will be given a name, Kiran. So that name will be gone to a person in the direct session, and with for a cup he will be given a place. So you have to identify those places and the balls, Kiran. Oh, okay. Thank you, Ratan. Sorry, sir, for interrupting.
So the next person's name is Dev. D-E-V. Dev. And Dev goes to Krishna. So the next person's name is Kirti. K-W-R-T-H-I.
ఏంట
Kirti. And Kirti goes to Brinda. And the next person's name is Kumar. K-U-M-A-R. And Kumar goes to Pranav.
కుమార్
And the next person's name is Syed. S-Y-E-D. And Syed goes to Kavin Karthik. The next person's name is Reshwar. So now Reshwar goes to Hariharan.
సరి రమేష్ రేసరు రమేష్ రమేష్
Next person's name
కుమార్
is Fatima. F-A-T-I-M-A. Fatima. So Fatima goes to Mitra.
इसकी एक तरह
So the next person's name is Charles. C-H-A-R-L-E-S. Charles. So Charles goes to Nagnan. So the next person's name is Abdullah. A-B-D-U-L-L-A-H. Abdullah. And Abdullah goes to Heathen. Right. So now, the final person. The final person's name is Sheila, and the object representing Sheila is with Manigandan Sundaresh. Now,
Sir, now do you want the basis for the subject?
now come. Now, number 1. There is a black color cup. There is a black color cup. I don't want anybody to note down. I hope you are not noting down. There is a black color cup, and the black color cup is Jerusalem. 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 There is a very big yellow color cup, and the yellow color cup is Paris, the country Paris. There is an apple green cup, and the apple green cup is Japan. There is a red color cup, and the red color cup is Pakistan. There is basically a pink color cup taped with black. Pink color cup taped with black. And this pink color cup taped with black is Pacific Ocean. There is a big shiny blue color cup. There is a big shiny blue color cup. And this shiny blue color cup is, what's going on with Kiran? If you are keeping on joining and rejoining and leaving and joining, what are you going to listen? So rest of the team members, the shiny blue cup is basically representing Bihar. How many places Bihar so far? There is a big orange color cup. A big orange color cup. And this orange color cup is representing New York. New York. White color cup, boys and girls. A small white color cup. And this white color cup is representing Orissa. And there is a purple color cup. Small purple color cup. And this purple color cup is representing Bay of Bengal. Last, but by no means the least, there is another pink color cup. A plain pink cup. A plain pink color cup. And this represents Uttar Pradesh. Done.
Sir, extra cups.
Get to confuse it. Confuse it.
Any questions before we start?
No confusion, sir.
Nice.
No confusion.
So Team
No
Ritvika,
confusion, sir.
good. Team Ritvika, your challenge goes now. 3, 2, 1, go. When you are making a call, discuss. Go with your plan. Don't make any haste. You have put up almost 3.5 minutes in team discussion. Stick with your team discussion. No discussions. Mute. I said mute. Nobody speaks. If you speak, go ahead. You will get penalty. I don't want the team to be confused. Your round when it comes, there will be some sort of difference. I'll tell you what. Team Ritvika, your first command. After listening to the first command, once you are ready, ask that respective person who is having the representative object and ask them to keep it on that particular cup. The first command goes like this. Abdullah goes to Bihar. Abdullah goes to Bihar. What are you writing? No, don't write that. Resha, come on.
13 right now, sir.
You are free to discuss with your team members. You have absolute freedom on that. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
since I know Abdullah is Ketraka.
And the Bihar is the blue cup on the left table.
No, tiny cup.
Give the command.
Yes, sir.
Final.
Yeah, there's a blue cup on the left table, the smaller one,
That's it.
near the white cup.
Yes.
That's Bihar.
The big shiny
Hold
blue
your
cup.
horses, hold on.
Tiny blue cup.
So
Yeah.
sir, Kirtanaka goes puts the ball in the big shiny blue
வாங்க
cup.
வாங்க
sir.
வாங்க 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 உள்ள வா உள்ள வா உள்ள வா சின்ன உள்ள வா வாங்க வாங்க நாளை முன்னாடி நியூஸ் yes Kiran Reshwar give your comment please.
Sir, Kirtanaka goes puts the ball in the blue shiny cup, sir. The one on the left.
Big blue shiny cup.
So this blue color, I mean this particular ball in the blue color shiny cup, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is that right answer? Other two teams, what do you think? Is that right answer?
Perfect. Good job, team.
So one full executed. Now, second command. Maybe Ratan Nitish and Prabhu Ajay can try this. In order to ensure that they are really doing good. So the second command goes like this. Somebody is going to Bay of Bengal and that somebody is Kumar. The guy Kumar goes to Bay of Bengal.
Sir, Kumar is. Sir, I think so it's pronounced. Sir,
Kumar is-
Kumar is pronounced, sir, and.
Bay of Bengal.
The, I
They
think
will
the
the
black.
right big hit.
Way of Bengal is easy.
The third Bay of Bengal.
Yeah, Ritvika, I too thought that. The taped pink color cup.
Yes.
So Bay of Bengal in which
So the team has discussed that Pranav has to put the ball in the pink cup, the taped pink cup. Sir.
okay, so Pranav has kept the ball in the pink along with the black color tape. So, team Krishwan, is that a right answer? I am asking you whether it is right answer or not.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong answer. So, we remember. Now, keep it reserved. When I am giving the bonus round, then you can say. So, that bonus round is fixed for them, not for you. What is burning now? Okay, right. So, one mistake. Now, the third command. The third command, I think Ritvika, the captain herself, should try. So, the third command goes like this. Fatima goes to New York. The person Fatima goes to New York. So represent and give the command to the respective person and put the ball on the respective cup. Come on. Come on, you can pull it off. Come on.
Friends, Fatima is
I
Mitra,
think-
friends.
Mitra
And the big orange cup is New York.
We have two orange cups. Which orange cup? Ritan Nitish. We
Sir,
have
big,
two orange cups.
Sir, big orange cup.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that's the right answer. Good job.
Well done, friends.
Good job, friends.
And then,
Third command. A person by name Ramesh is going to a particular place that is very voluminous, full of water, and that is one among the major comprising of the world map. I'm not saying verbatimly the word. So you got to find out. Ritvika.
so, friends, Dakshinana is Ramesh. So,
Yeah.
the
Dakshinana Rameshna Banaya.
sir,
Sir,
Yes.
can you give the description again?
The description goes like this. There is a person called as Ramesh, and that person goes to a voluminous place which is comprising of lot of water, and it is comprising a major portion of the world map.
Pacific Ocean, friends.
Pacific Ocean is the right answer. Now you can spot on. Come on. You're taking a lot of time. Give the answer. Otherwise it will go as a damage. Come on. Okay, Dakshin is right answer. Pacific Ocean is right answer. Locate the cup and give the command to Dakshin Siddharth. Cup is here or here?
Right table.
Sir, right side, sir.
Then which cup? Describe the cup.
The black
Black,
cup. Friends, is it the black cup?
Wrong answer. Once again. Now, there are two. Is it ready? There are two answers that were considered to be mistake. So first let us finish that up. Now Ketana you can answer. The one that made comment there was a mistake. Purple cup, what was it? Bay of Bengal is changed to purple cup. Okay, right.
Hey, that's answer.
Huh?
Urumai.
First week.
Ramesh.
This black rabbit thing, sir. Happy going
So the spring with black is Pacific Ocean and Ramesh is Cape. Two mistakes and one has to be sorted. One has to be identified. Can we go to the next command? Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are ready, sir.
Next command is very simple and it is in fact very dynamic and it's a good chance for you to redeem the lost points. So team Ritvika, Reshwar, Kiran, Prabhu, Ritan Nitish, everybody, remember whatever you remember, recollect whatever you remember and give the respective commands. Come on. Every team will be given such a chance.
Sir, may I say, sir?
Yeah. Make sure it is correct.
So, yes, sir. Dev is Krishnan, sir.
Dev is Krishnan. Come here, Krishnan.
And pink cup is Uttar Pradesh, sir.
That's correct answer, Ritan. Good job, very good. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Next.
Sir, Sheila's used, sir, and then the red cup on the left side is Pakistan.
Oh, tsunami.
Sheila, where is it? Kiran.
Sir, that's you, sir, and the red cup is Pakistan, sir.
Sheila goes to Pakistan. That's the right answer. Two straight right answers and that has really put you into proper highlight. Yeah, Reshwar, come on.
I know a place, I just don't remember it. So does anybody remember a name?
Yeah,
I
that can help.
remember.
I do not.
I remember my name now.
Is there anything left?
Okay. Can you say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Reshwar, here these people are behaving like fox. They are very hungry. So if you are not going to say, these people will grab. And there is a mega size fox in that team.
Sir, me, sir.
Sir, Charles is Nalvarna, sir.
Charles.
Reshwar is Haryana and
Ritvika, you are not supposed to say. Charles choose பண்ணினா அந்த அடுத்த place தான் நீ சொல்லணும். சும்மா மைண்ட்ல இருக்கிறத ரேண்டமா சொல்ல முடியாது. So Charles, Naglan, correct. Now you got to spot a place where Naglan can put the representative object into that particular cup. Come on.
Reshwarana, come on now.
So the white cup on the small table is Orissa.
So Charles and Orissa. That's the correct answer. Good job. So Ritvika, you mentioned that Reshwar is, who is Reshwar here?
Sir, Haryana is
Wow. Hariharan and Reshwar. Now locate a place. Come on. Nice recovery. Come on.
Sir, I think so I know a place, sir.
Sir,
There is Big Orange, New York, sir.
New York. New York
Yes,
occupied.
sir.
Is there a place left?
Yes, sir.
How many places left? How many places left?
I
Three places, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
How many places?
Sir, I remember one.
Balaji, சொல்லு சீக்கிரம் சொல்லு டைம் இல்ல.
Sir, I think this is
there are studies, sir.
Rachel Road has apple green. What is apple green?
Sir, sir, Apple Green, Japan, sir. I'm
Beautiful.
sure.
So Rachel goes to Japan. Done. I am afraid to say your time is elapsed.
Sir, ನಾವು ಇಪ್ಪವೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರೋದು, sir.
Hey, good girl, I'll
Hold her.
Sir,
Ah,
I have to leave now, sir.
Bye.
are you joining tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Bye, give Shine wisdom.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Dean said you separate, sir. They said you separate.
30 seconds still left. And mute everybody.
ನಾನು
ಓ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Mute na enna theriyum. Adha. You got only 40 seconds. And listen to me carefully. And after 40 seconds elapsed, it goes to Team Christian first of all. And then it comes, whatever you remember, for all that you will get bonus.
ఓకే సార్
It doesn't mean that if you are given the chance and if they are not going to be in an imbalanced state. உங்க ரெண்டு பேருமே என்னென்ன ரிமெம்பர் பண்றீங்களோ அதை சொல்லுங்க. அதுக்காக வெச்ச கவி திரும்ப சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காரு. ரைட்? இங்க வந்து ரொம்ப தில்லா கை தூக்கினீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன். நீ ஏதாவது சொதப்பு உனக்கு இருக்குது அப்ப.
சார் தனித்தனியா கேப்பீங்களா சார் அன்னைக்கு பண்ண மாதிரி இல்ல
Yes. 40 seconds time starts now. Come on. Tell me whatever you remember. Tell me whatever you know. Team Ritvika.
Sir, last and final one thing I know, sir.
சொல்லு.
There is side is Kavin Karthik, sir.
Syed is Kavin Karthik. Correct?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
Sir, I don't know place, sir.
Then no problem.
Then I don't
Sir,
think.
Paris. Will you Paris?
Yeah, Paris.
Paris?
Yes, Paris is still left. Tell me which cup and you're on. Come on.
I think it's the yellow one on the big table.
Right answer. Rachel. Good job. Guys, you have only one ball left. Rest of the things taken. I don't see anybody with the ball except one person here. So find that.
Sir, I don't remember the name, sir. Name of the person, but I think it's
Nimola TV will over news often. There is a TV noise at the background. I'm not able to hear you properly. Ritika, I told you yesterday. Come on, quick.
Sir, I don't remember the ball name, sir.
Time up.
But I think it's with Brindaka, sir.
Come on, Ritika. You just can't say and escape. Brindaka ita one irukku appadinamna adella unakku mark kedakadhu. You have to say at least the place or the person's name. Yes, you're right. Brinda is the only person who is carrying a ball. The other people are empty-handed. So Brinda கிட்ட இருக்கிற ball என்ன name, என்ன place. Your command is over. அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்ககிட்ட command
Sir,
இல்ல.
the name is Karthik. Kirtik, sir.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Kirti. Brinda, va.
Sir, Kirtik, sir.
Kirti. Okay, so Kirti.
Yes, sir, keep this, sir. Yes, sir, keep this.
Which cup?
Friends, anyone remember place?
நீ இப்படி பாட்டு பாடிட்டே இரு. டைம் ஆச்சுன்ற அப்புறம் friends anyone remember the place. ஏய் பாலாஜி, என்னடா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
Sir, I think this is
Think.
Already kept it in
Ah, you can pass it on your wife.
Sir, they are like having fun.
He is like a hungry elephant.
Fine. Time up, boys. I'm sorry.
Sir,
Team Christian.
sir, maybe go.
Sir,
வேணாம். நீங்க ஹானஸ்டா அவங்க சொல்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆன்சர் நீங்க நினைச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா ஹானஸ்டா அதை சொல்லுங்க, உங்களுக்கு மார்க் கொடுங்க.
done.
கிருஷ்ணன், come on.
Sir, Kirti goes to Chalachalam, sir. That is black color.
என்ன சார்?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 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 sir,
வந்து செஞ்சு பண்ணா
அதான் சார் இஸ்ரேல் காரங்க கேட்டாங்க
சார் என் தம்பி சேலத்துல வந்து உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான் அவனும் சேலம் தான் நீ சொன்ன செஞ்சு ஜெருசி இங்க எப்படி நான் மாறுவேன்
Sir, sir, sir.
Israel has been terribly disrespected by you. Jerusalem every Jerusalem.
Sir,
Say okay. Right. Rachel.
Sir, I have to read, sir.
Right. Okay. So you got school?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Rachel. Are you editing tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Bye, Reshma.
Bye now.
So this guy that is DT in Jerusalem. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We discussed it.
Now, turn comes to you. Tell me what you remember.
Pranav will start.
ஆனா ஏற்கனவே அவங்க எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ண சொன்னீங்கனால போனஸ் கிடைக்காது. Any mistakes that you remember?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Others, sir.
Then others everything you remember.
Yes,
Yes, sir, we remember everything.
We also remember everything.
You remember
Sir,
everything.
Sir, what we thought was as you will give chance to our team, sir. We thought of executing this black cup the first before the 40 seconds. Sir, Brindaka had this.
Same, yes, sir.
Sir, even I wanted to say Kumar and purple cups.
So
Those two cups are easy, sir, because you mentioned them the first.
first.
So we all remember those.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
So
Ramesh is also the first, sir. And Kirti, Brinda,
Sir, I was-
so 3,500 bonus points both for Team Krishnan and for Team Brinda.
already both of our teams had one bonus, so inclusive of that.
4,000.
4,000.
4,000 both.
Or more.
So Ritvika, Balaji, Prabhu Aditya, Ritan Nitish. Do you recollect how many right answers you have made? Full execution. When I say full execution, person's name and place name. அப்படி நீங்க கரெக்டா full execution பண்ணது எத்தனை? எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கு நீங்க கரெக்டா சொல்றீங்களான்னு பார்க்கணும்.
Sir, I think so we made 4 wrong, sir.
4 mistakes you mean?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you did 5 correct. That's a good number.
Great job, team. Great job, team.
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
Sir, that means 9 only will come, sir, 5%.
இல்ல அவன் 5 இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரித்விகா ஒரே நேரத்துல 2 நேம் கரெக்டா சொன்னா I counted that as 5. So you have 50% of credit currency. அது என்னங்கறத நான் அப்புறம் சொல்றேன். Okay? Now going to the next team and the next team ஒரு 10 minutes the parents will come and in the next team we are going to have team Brinda and this time team Krishnan and team Ritvika will hold the characters. எப்படி வந்துட்டு நீங்க பண்ணும்போது இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் கேரக்டர்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி இப்ப நீங்க கேரக்டர்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் பண்றீங்க. Okay? It's not character இருக்காது. There will be a small change. Okay? Ready?
One out, sir.
Yeah.
They did 7 correct things, sir. They left 23, sir. Here, sir,
Here
one
all
of
of
them-
Full execution. Full
Yes, sir.
execution அப்படி 7 full executions chance இல்லை. No way. கரெக்ட்டா 5 full execution. ஒன்னு வந்து ரித்விகா எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா சொல்லுங்க.
After the whole 40 seconds that you are not counting, sir.
No.
40 seconds are.
40 seconds அப்பதான் கிருஷ்ணன் தான் வந்து சொன்னேன். ஜெருசலேம் கிருஷ்ணன் தான் வந்து சொன்னேன். அப்ப அதெல்லாம் கணக்கு வராது.
Yes,
Full
sir.
execution. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு அதே தான். Full execution. Right? Okay? Fine. Ready?
Sir, you will ask respective person.
Sir, can you keep the balls there, sir?
இல்ல இங்க இருந்து எடுத்து கொடுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. இல்ல பரவாயில்லை.
Sir, the balls which are intended for them, we will keep them over here, sir.
I'll keep them on the sofa. The balls that are intended for you will be kept on the sofa. Alright? Okay? So, if I say Balaji has it அப்படின்னா இவங்க வந்து அதை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிக்கணும். பாலாஜி நான் கொடுக்குற பால் சோஃபா. Whatever that is given for the online team, it is going to be virtually on the sofa and these people will contain that. Ready? I'm starting. Ready?
Sir, sorry, one discussion.
Not discussion.
Sir, sir, family
Split them up, that is right. But let's discuss before we change. Execution. We'll have to think about finance. Yeah, thank you. 2 seconds set வச்சிருங்க. 10 seconds discuss பண்ணி 2 seconds set வச்சிருங்க. Discuss பண்ணா யாரும் நோக்க மாட்டாங்க. மத்த ரூல்ஸ்க்கு சார்ஜ் கொடுக்கறாங்க.
Varshavana, Vishnu Priyaka, all the best. As much as you could remember, please remember those. And what we have decided is we are going to have a discussion for each guest. Anna,
phone எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும்
எடுத்துக்கலாம்.